How to update YouTube Music app. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can update your YouTube Music application. In order to update your application, first of all, you will need to go and open your Google Play Store on your device if you are using the Android device. And if you are using the Apple device, you will need to open any app store available on your device. Here I have opened my Google Play Store since I am using Android device. Now once after opening the Google Play Store, here ensure that you are logged into your Google account. Once logged in, you will land on this interface. Here at the bottom right, you will be able to locate the search icon. Simply tap on it and then you will be presented with this screen. Here at the top, you will be able to locate the search bar. Simply tap on the search bar and there type in YouTube Music. You will be able to get the search suggestions below. You may also simply tap on YouTube Music once you find it. Here I have already entered the word YouTube Music. Now once after entering it, tap on the search icon of your keyboard to search for it. Now within a while, you will be able to see the search results below. Simply tap on the YouTube Music Authentic application and then you will reach to this page. Now here you will be able to find the update button at the right side. Once you locate it, simply tap on the update button and wait until the app gets up to date. If in case you didn't see the update button, that means your application has already been up to date. You will need to wait for the next update in order to update your application. Now once after updating your application, you will need to wait for a few seconds in order to complete the update process. This depends upon your internet connection. Once after updating the application, now you'll be able to locate the open button instead of update. Simply tap on the open button and then you'll be able to open the application now. Now you'll be able to explore new features in YouTube Music. So by following these steps, you should be able to update your YouTube Music application. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.